Founded in 2003, Konnexio developed a flexible machine platform for the assembly and testing of products and sub-assemblies. Their ADAPTO system is used in manufacturing facilities such as automotive, plastics, medical devices, and consumer goods, and are often dedicated to a specific product or any group of similar products. These innovative building blocks work independently and allow for faster integration of new automotive line processes, tool changes, and future part expansions. The ADAPTO system provides flexibility and adaptability for upgrades, retooling, and reuse for subsequent applications. 70% of Konnexio's customer base is currently in the United States, but work is underway to introduce ADAPTO technology to Mexican and German manufacturers. Konnexio is currently developing a cloud-based tracking system to provide feedback regarding machine performance, real-time machine status, and maintenance forecasting in accordance with Industry 4.0 philosophy. Konnexio is certainly a deserving finalist for the London Chamber of Commerce Innovation Award.